solid yellow inner wings and belly. Her eyes and feet are solid black. So this bird can be found in Peru, Brazil, Bolivia, and Paraguay. But here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have 3 blue and gold cross. So earlier, doing basketball, mato si blue, Aura Arwana. So guys, si Bandit ang high, si Golden mag-flex na iyang wings. So flex wings, go green. Oh, shine that. There you go. So last thing with your wings is Subil. Mga nagitawag of Bunny Pearl. So usually can live up to 30 years old. While Bandit and Goldie can live up to 60 to 70 years old. So sana all know. So that's it, our key guys. So party is for nest. They feed seeds, nuts, and fruit. So let's shit better. So intelligent round applause for Bandit. Goldie can find a hidden object. Let's see. Yes, if you cheer, you can do it, Goldie. So Goldie, find a hidden object. So Goldie searching, scanning stuff, using her psychic power, and there you go. So Bandit, so round applause for psychic bird, Goldie. Sa yellow crest, while Nigel has up your right line. So last thing with your wings is our Lupin Cactus Snow. This bird can be found in Surang Arctic Kakatu, and also known as salmon-crested Kakatu because of their pink is their crest by sign of communication on good, whether it's frightened, happy, or it's a birds in love number o dalaw ng study ba yun? There you go. So 7 plus 18 is equal to 25. So right, diba? So Ranto, so Mac Wizards? No. So tingin tayo na is bird prefer habitat of the plants. So yeah. Australia are called the sea eagle. So that's it, our very kind of if familiar mo ng eagle, so wala ang eagle na show sa London, ito yakip ng Tanawin. Next, Philippine serpent eagle can be found in the major islands of the Philippines. This bird prefer habitat of the woodland and forest. They're distinguishable of the serpent eagle because it's found in the body and inner wing. Small animals, snake, and rodent. So that's it, our floating serpent. White Palestine eagle can be found in Southeast Asia and in a V-shaped form. This bird prefer habitat of the woodland and wetlands. The bird will be isolated and catch their prey up to 30 to 100 miles per hour. In a wild, they will fish. See purpose station again. So that's it, our white belly. The southern rufous turtle. They take the bird. They like to jump perch to perch, showing their chasing skill for one another. If found in a Mindanao area, look at them sa Kalam or Lakla of fruit and meat as well. As you notice, they're a very good in the food catch. So, we're going to show you once again. Let's go to Let's go to... So, top first. Second. Now guys, ready your camera. Oh! Amazing guys! So round was our Philippine group for circle main group. So here is the motion part. We will command to those ways. We use plastic and recycle everything we can. See if Bandit can do it, so can we.